Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add Google search bar on Google Sites. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here's how you can easily add a Google search bar on your Google site. So in your Google web page, just search for Google search bar embed code. From here, you should be able to see this link that says Google's programmable search engine. Just click on this. You will then be redirected to this site. You can also just manually type this programmable search engine.google.com. Then just click on get started. You can create your first search engine. Just click on add. You can add a search engine name, then what to search. Just change this to search the entire web. You can also toggle this image search on or safe search. Then just click on I'm not a robot. Then click on create. So from here, all you have to do is just copy this code. Then just head over to your website. Then from here, from Google Sites, just click this embed icon. Then switch to embed code. From here, just paste the code that we copied earlier just by clicking on Ctrl plus V. Then click on next. If your content is blocked, just click on here. Then just click on insert. You can customize where you want the search bar to appear on your page. And just by that, you have now successfully added a search bar on your Google Sites. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!